Alright guys, so I got like, I don't know, 4 inches of water left in the pool, and the hose method that I use will not get all that water out, so you have to go buy a sump pump. And the best one I got for the money, this is what's it called? Dromond, I think is the brand. Well, it's at Harbor Freight. This one was $64. It does 1,600 gallons per hour removal for the water. But unfortunately, I got a lot of leaves. So what I did, and this one's nice. It's got you can hook up your garden hose right to it. But what I got to constantly do is clean it because there's leaves all around here, and that's why I have this. This is like a screen, aluminum screen that you get for windows, and I stapled it around. That way any debris kind of filters out. But this thing is working really good. We got it flowing. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it's really flowing out over there, like it's gushing out, like as if the garden hose is on. So this thing definitely works. With the coupon, I think I paid $57 with tax. Definitely worth it, because there's no way you're gonna get this water completely out. Alright, so the way we're cleaning it is, after the sump pump's done, you're gonna have a little bit of water left, and you're gonna get a shot vac, and you can hear it it's full now. There's a 6.5 liter or horsepower 16 gallon shop vac. So you suck it up with that, and it'll suck it up fairly fast, even faster than the sump pump seems. And then you're gonna dump it over and do that until all the water's out, and then you're gonna get some soap, bleach, whatever, and you start cleaning your liner. You can see this half is clean here, and that half is not. You can see all the nasty stuff there. And it takes you, I've been working on it all day since about 2 o'clock, so this is an all-day project. You need to get this done at least in one day and have it filled up by the time you're done at the end of the day, because these liners, when the sun hits them, they start kind of bowing out, and from what I heard online is that when you fill them up later, they actually will pull from the top, and then your liner's no good. So we're trying to hurry up, and I think that's why you can't find any videos of people doing this and showing you how they do it, because they're in a hurry. You're going real fast. Get a hose, spray it down after you clean it some with the soap, suck that dirty water up, dump it out, and repeat so and so. I don't know how many hundreds of times you got to do that, or dozens of times, but that's how you get it clean. And also, we're using these pads here, work the best. I've used brushes. Sponge doesn't work. This thing is kind of like a abrasive pad. We got these on Amazon for, I don't know, $3 or something. It comes with 3 of them, so $1 a piece, and it cleans this the best. You can see how fast I clean that area. If you use a sponge, it just doesn't do anything. It just kind of skims over it. See that? But if you use this pad, see that? It's kind of like a magic, or that magic eraser thing that they have. You know, it's pretty much Scotch Brite pads is what it is. But this one's meant for like the stovetop, so it's not too abrasive. And this is vinyl. You don't want to rip it, but that's what we're using to clean it. Sometimes we're using the brush but this works the best. Alright, so here's the little window mesh that I use for a filter for the sump pump. You put the sump pump in there, and I just stapled the sides here to keep it, bend up the sides so no leaves go up on the sides, and it worked pretty good. So now we're gonna go and fill this up. Can't wait too long. Good thing we got some trees here really big that shade it, because if this gets too hot, it starts shrinking. See, it's shrinking a little bit in some spots, but not too bad. As soon as that sun hits it, it'll shrink the vinyl, and when you go to fill it up, it'll pull this vinyl right out of the top sleeve here. So we got to fill this up right away. But you can see how clean it is. I don't know what those white specks are, but yeah, it's pretty clean. start filling it up. It's about, I don't know, 11 o'clock in the morning. A little late, but it's not too sunny. Again, we got the trees kind of shading it, but hopefully it'll be okay. I'll let you guys know an update. Wow, it's probably gonna take like 2 days to fill up this pool. I think this is about a 30-foot pool. Alright, it's 11:30, next day. It's been 24 hours. Had this on all night, and I'd say it's a good, I don't know, it looks about a foot. But it's pretty. It's not too sunny today, so you can see on the sides here it's not pulling out anymore. It's the weight down there is pulling at the bottom, so it is nice and straight here. So I think we're gonna have no issues with it stretching too far and pulling off from the top like a lot of people said on YouTube. But I think it'll be fine. But yeah, if you in an area where it's real hot, I'd be careful to not do this when it's, you know, like really hot. We're barely in the springtime, in April, and I'm in Illinois, so if you're probably in the lower states, a lot hotter, and it's gonna be wanting to you know, pull out on you more. But it seems like it's okay, and it's pretty clean. So this method definitely works. So if you want to clean out your pool and it has a liner, it is possible to do it. I know there's some people on YouTube saying, oh, you can't do it, but proof right here that you can.